Think you need a big garden for eggplants? Think again. You don't need a sprawling backyard or fancy raised beds to enjoy a bountiful eggplant harvest. In fact, you can grow these delicious veggies almost anywhere, even if you only have a small outdoor space or a sunny corner. Some of the best harvests come from a simple plastic tub. These containers are affordable, easy to find, and surprisingly effective for growing healthy, productive plants. Place your tub on a sunny patio, balcony, or even a driveway. No backyard required. As long as your eggplants get at least 6 hours of sunlight a day, they'll thrive in almost any spot you choose. The secret? Tubs create a warm, controlled environment that eggplants love. The enclosed space helps maintain steady temperatures and protects your plants from sudden weather changes. The dark plastic absorbs heat, speeding up growth and boosting your harvest. This extra warmth is especially helpful if you live in a cooler climate or want to get a jump start on the growing season. You control the soil, keep out weeds, and manage pests easily. With tubs, you can choose the perfect soil mix, add compost, and keep your plants healthy without the hassle of garden weeds or soil-borne diseases. Deep tubs give eggplants the root space they crave and hold moisture longer. This means less frequent watering and stronger, more resilient plants that can support lots of fruit. And since tubs are portable, you can move them to catch the sun or shelter them from storms. If the weather turns, simply shift your tubs to a safer spot. No heavy lifting or digging required. With just a tub and a little know-how, you'll have beautiful, productive eggplants right outside your door. It's a simple, flexible way to grow food, even in the city or with limited space. Ready to grow? Let's get started. Grab your tub, some good soil, and a healthy seedling, and you're on your way to a delicious harvest. Your eggplant success story begins now. With a little care and attention, you'll be amazed at what you can grow right at home. To get started, you'll need a large, sturdy plastic tub. This will be the foundation for your eggplant's new home. Choose a tub that's designed for outdoor use and can withstand the elements, as it will be exposed to sun, rain, and wind throughout the growing season. Make sure your tub holds at least 10 gallons and is at least 12 inches deep. This size gives your eggplant's roots plenty of space to grow strong and healthy, and helps prevent the soil from drying out too quickly. If you have the space, consider going even bigger. Larger tubs mean more room for roots to spread, which leads to bigger, healthier plants and less frequent watering. Plus, they're more forgiving if you miss a watering or two. Next, use a drill to make 8 to 10 half-inch holes in the bottom of your tub for drainage. Proper drainage is crucial. Eggplants absolutely hate having soggy roots, which can quickly lead to root rot and other problems. When water can flow freely out of the tub, your plant's roots will stay healthy and oxygenated, which is essential for strong growth and a bountiful harvest. For the soil, blend 2 parts high-quality potting mix with 1 part rich compost. This combination provides a balance of nutrients, moisture retention, and drainage, giving your eggplants the best possible start. Mix in a few generous handfuls of perlite to improve aeration and keep the soil light and fluffy, which helps roots breathe and grow vigorously. Don't forget to add a slow-release organic fertilizer. This will provide a steady supply of nutrients over time, supporting your plants as they grow and produce fruit. The finished mix should be loose, rich, and full of life, perfect for supporting healthy, productive eggplants all season long. Fill your tub all the way to the top with this prepared mix, gently patting it down but not compacting it too much. Now your tub is ready for planting. The right tub and soil set the stage for a thriving eggplant, giving your plants the best chance to grow strong and produce lots of delicious fruit. Don't skip these preparation steps. They truly make all the difference between struggling plants and a lush, productive container garden. With your tub and soil ready, let's move on to planting and watch your eggplants flourish. Time to plant. Starting your eggplants off right is the key to a healthy, productive season. Whether you're a first-time gardener or a seasoned pro, these steps will help your plants thrive from day one. Gently remove your seedling from its pot, taking care not to damage the delicate stem or leaves. Tease apart any circling roots so they can spread out and grow strong in their new home. Plant your seedling at the same depth as it was growing before. Planting too deep can stress the stem, while planting too shallow can leave roots exposed and vulnerable. Fill your tub or container about 2/3 full with high-quality potting soil. Set the seedling right in the center, then gently backfill around it, making sure the roots are well covered and the plant stands upright. Remember, only 1 eggplant per tub. These plants grow large and need plenty of space for their roots and leaves to expand, ensuring they don't compete for nutrients or sunlight. Water deeply until you see water draining from the bottom of the container. This helps settle the soil around the roots and gives your plant a warm welcome to its new home. That first thorough watering is essential. It helps your eggplant recover from transplant shock and encourages the roots to reach out into the fresh soil. With the right space, proper planting depth, and a generous soak, your eggplant is set up for a strong, healthy start. Now, let's keep your plant thriving by learning how to care for it as it grows. Up next, tips for ongoing care and a bountiful harvest. Water your plants daily in hot weather. Container soil dries out much faster than garden beds. Check the soil about 2 inches down. If it feels dry to the touch, it's time to water thoroughly. Feed every 2-3 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer to keep your plants growing strong and healthy. Support your plant with a tomato cage or sturdy stake to prevent branches from snapping under the weight of heavy fruit. Harvest when fruits are glossy, deep-colored, and firm. Don't wait for them to get huge or overripe. Use a sharp, clean knife to cut, leaving a bit of stem attached to the fruit for freshness. Regular picking encourages your plant to produce even more fruit throughout the season. With the right care and attention, your tub-grown eggplants will truly amaze you with their abundance. Grab a tub, follow these simple steps, and enjoy your delicious harvest. Happy growing, and good luck!